Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is more of an introduction video to this channel. So thank you for I think we are at 1,500 subscribers, but I've not been very consistent on this page. Though this year I want to be more consistent, hence this introduction video. So this is more of an introduction of what you expect in this channel. I am Ruth Tanui, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I'm also the founder and managing partner of Ruth Tanui and Company Advocates. Okay, the reason I started this channel is because I just want to simplify the law. I feel a lot of things are things that can be prevented if you are informed of the law. Even sometimes I've had clients who come to the office who say that I even didn't know that my rights had been infringed until I saw your video. And I felt that's a good way to inform people, because sometimes someone even doesn't know that their rights have been infringed, and information is power. So at least when you understand what the law stipulates, what your rights are, it's easy for you now to. So it's more of just giving people information, impacting people, educating people on the law in Kenya. This channel is going to focus we're going to focus on employment law, specifically for employers. I feel a lot of employers have lost a lot of cases in court, or lose a lot of cases in court, not because they just don't follow, they don't follow the disciplinary processes, or they don't understand what the law requires of them. So that's why I feel like this is a page whereby we'll be guiding employers on the Kenyan labor laws and what they are required of, to prevent maybe costly litigation, or to just ensure they are they have, as because for work to, or to just ensure you have good working environment for employees, and everyone wins. Because I don't think there's anyone who starts a business and they want their end goal is to be sued in court for disciplinary process or any legal issue. So that's why in this page I'll be guiding. It will be more of a legal employer. I'll be having legal employer guide series. We'll guide employers on the proper procedure, maybe for the disciplinary processes, if it's redundancy, summary dismissal, termination. Also, we guide employers we help employers review their policies to ensure that they're in alignment with the Kenyan labor laws. We also handle land matters. And so we guide people in ensuring, as people have known, I've been interacted with, owning land has become a nightmare for many people. And so in this page, we'll just be guiding people on the due diligence you need to follow, the process you need to follow if you want to acquire property, either it's land or a house, what the law stipulates. So we just guide you through the process. And specifically for Kenyans in the diaspora and foreigners. Kenyans in the diaspora don't have the benefit of being in the country, and many of them have ended up being conned, because you find either you trust relatives who don't deliver, or sometimes you buy land that it's under succession, or you buy land that doesn't exist. So I have some clients who I represent in the diaspora, and I remember I was talking to Kenyans in Ontario. I had a webinar with them, and most of them were telling me the way, because of the fear they have around owning property back home, some are even resorting to stocks, bonds, treasury bills, which is, I feel it's sad considering. And I think having this platform, I hope I'm going to help people to, be informed on the procedures, and so that they don't find it as a scary process. Who is this? This channel is for employers or employees, anyone who wants to understand the Kenyan labor laws. It's also for anyone who intends to own land in Kenya. Whether you're a Kenyan in the diaspora, or a foreigner and you want to acquire property in Kenya, this is the channel for you, because I'll be sharing information around it, the legal process, mistakes to avoid, to ensure at least you have a seamless process if you're looking to acquire land in Kenya. When I'm at it, I'm also an author for simplified legal process of buying land in Kenya. So just know I'm speaking from a point of information. It's not something that I've just decided to do. It's something I'm passionate about. That's why it really makes me feel sad that a lot of people are running away from investing in land or owning property back home, especially Kenyans, the diaspora, or even foreigners want to come into the country because of fear of being conned. And it's just simple, like we'll be providing that information. So this will be a space for you to feel safe if you want to acquire land or property in Kenya. And so I hope you're going to follow me through this journey. And please, in this comment section, just write anything that you would want us to talk about. You want me to talk about in this space. So every Wednesday there'll be a video. A video will go up. Every Wednesday by 6 p.m. we'll have a video up in this channel. So thank you so much. So and I hope you have a happy 2026, and see you next Wednesday for my first video.